How's the progress on the sausage rolls, Babs?
Oh God. Well, I've made the pastry.
You made the pastry, yeah.
It was just sitting there to rest for a bit.
So you mix it and then you leave
It's
it?
flour and butter and a pinch of salt. So whatever flour you put in, you put half butter. So if you put 200 grams of flour, you put 100 grams of butter.
Well, you make
Half,
it, yeah. Then you get your sausage meat.
Yeah.
And you roll it into strips.
Yeah.
Then you mix it and rest it for how long?
They say half an hour. To be fair, I don't really bother. I've just got that ready, so I can roll this out now.
And then turn it into strips. Don't hit me with the rolling pin.
Oh, bloody itchy. I don't need to roll all of it out. I'll cut it in half. You're not going to watch me, are ya?
Well, yeah. Does it need much doing when you roll it out?
No. Just need to make it, you know. It's a bit sticky, just throw a bit of flour on. You're going to make me nervous now watching me.
Well, to get a thickness of it, a certain...
Yeah, it's always a bit sticky when you first. Because obviously there's a lot of butter in it. It gets a bit sticky in a certain place, just put a little bit of flour there.
And how do you know how thick you've got to do it?
Well, you know it's not going to be that thick. It's got to be, because it's going to roll round, isn't it? So, do it as thick or as thin as you want.
And then keep changing directions when you squish it.
Yeah.
Squish it one way and then squish it the other.
Yeah. There's no, when they're homemade, it's up to you, isn't it? However you do it. That's probably about it now. See?
Yeah.
I do try to do it in a bit of a square if I can. It's difficult. I've got me old roller. I've had God knows how many years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
then I'll stick me.
You get
So obviously that isn't going to go all the way around. It's, you know what I mean? It's a bit too. So I'm a bit too tall there, but it doesn't matter. So like that. All the way round, like that. Keep going all the way round like that. Bit more, so you're almost covered.
Hold on. How do you know? Do you actually run it over? No, you just reach the end.
I get to there.
Yeah.
Then I get my case and I stick that side so that I've got that much gap. And then I run it down like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my cutter. Then I go back a little bit and I get me water.
Yeah.
And I just dab my finger down there.
And that acts like a glue.
Yeah.
Sticks it together.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then roll it again. So like that.
All right, we change position.
And then, oh, it's not quite cut there, so just cut that again. That's it. All done.
And how do you turn that into your sausage? Do you cut it up first?
Yeah. So I always do whatever size sausage rolls you like. We like quite big ones, don't we?
Yeah. Cut it into even sections,
Then
yeah.
I always do the back of the knife and do 2 little slits there. Makes it look pretty and also it makes it breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've already greased my trays ready.
So you get a tray. When you leave a good space in between.
Yeah. And then I just keep going. I've got my egg wash there ready. So I paint them with egg wash. They're a nice colour then. Yeah. And then stick them in the oven for, I don't know, half an hour or so.
So a few more to go there. This one, this one, and this one. And you'll just keep going until...
Make that a little bit longer.
So you make everything, you adjust everything to fit.
Yeah.
Because you don't really... It doesn't have to be exact, does it?
No, they're homemade, aren't they? Yeah, we're not factory, are we?
No.
Eh? It's a little bit sticky there when you've chopped it because you've... Doesn't matter. That'll be fine. That's it. Nice and gently.
Hold on. You just keep messing with it.
Yeah. And a bit more. A bit more. There you go. A bit more. Right, we're there nearly. And run that down there.
So that's virtually touching, just not quite touching, it's just up to it.
Yeah.
So it overlaps that very little
back
bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
See that one? The worst that'll happen is it just splits.
All right.
That's what happens.
But you prefer...
And I always put the seal bum down.
Well, when you put it on the cooker...
So when you put it on the tray, put it on bum down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Or put the seal underneath it.
Yeah. So keep rolling. Keep rolling. Until you're on the bottom. Like that. Really nice and gently. Move it away from the spare pastry.
Yeah.
That's it. And we chop them again.
Ooh.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then you've got a load there. And you make some more. And you'll mix some more and until the trays are full.
Yeah. So I've run out of sausage, mate.
Right. Okay. Lovely. So you've got how many? Oh yeah.
This one.
Sauce.
That's that's the one I'm doing now.
Yeah.
And that one's supposed to have nutmeg and something in it.
Or different mixes of sausage
Different,
meat.
yeah.
Yeah.
Still pork, but it's got different stuff in it.
Oh. Yeah, because I know you do different ones, don't you? Some are spicier than others and... Yeah. Right.
There's lots out.
Ooh! Wow. The first lot of sausage rolls are out. There's there's some in already. And that makes them brown, does it? Is that just
Yeah, it makes them look nicer,
just
doesn't
a
it? I
bashed
mean, you
egg?
can use milk.
Is that just a bashed egg?
I've always used an egg because that's what my mum always used. But you can put milk on.
Yeah.
It just puts a glaze on, doesn't it?
And you can see now the slots have come into themselves, stopped them from splitting. Oh, can we have one? Can we have one? Are we ready? Can we have one? Can we have one? Can we have this one? Oh, they're still a bit, they're a bit hot. Oh, give me a tape thing. Oh, look at the heat. Oh, and the smell. In they go.
Probably got another 10 minutes. Maybe.
10 minutes to do, yeah.
Oh, my back.
Oh,
What?
that was rattling. No, so, can I have a paper thing? So I'll fold it in half. And I'll have
You're
again.
such a fatty, aren't you? Which one would you like? The biggest one, I suppose.
Yeah, go on, the biggest one.
I'll just get that one. Well done.
Yeah, just lift them off gently.
Shouldn't be stuck because I've oiled them.
Yeah, did you oil the tray first, did you?
Yeah, yeah.
That'll do me. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Fantastic. Oh. Boy, I've been a good boy. I've had a shave, look. Yeah. This is my Christmas Eve present. Just to keep me out of trouble. What do you think? Look. Oh, there's movement on it, isn't there?
You might be disappointed.
And never disappointed. Never disappointed. Shall we? What do you think? It's definitely a size of a CD. I thought, oh yeah, it's a game. Is it a game? Oh no, it's in a box. Oh, stocking filler. Oh, are we ready? Turn the corner. Let's go slowly. No. What? Ace something. I need to know. I mean, I need specifications, right? Forget that. Let's just rip the damn thing open. Ooh. Endoscope for full interference.
Interface.
And full interface. Oh, it does photo, video, light. Right, okay. What's this thing?
You can connect it to your phone, and apparently you can, like, if you wanted to go down a hole or something like that,
yeah,
you can see what's there.
Okay.
Can I turn it off now?
No, come on. Come on. Are you going to have to, because you don't want to see me going completely OTT and opening the box.
Oh my God, come here.
Oh, I'll hold that.
I'm at it now, aren't I?
This is a different sort of box opening video. Everybody on the internet likes a box opening video. Ah! Look at this. Oh, right. This is the thing. And there's the camera.
It's a little bag to keep it in.
Blimey. Hey, we're going to have to... Right, bend over. I'm going to inspect.
I'm not too sure what that is. It's a spring and something.
Oh, right, okay. Instructions. Yeah, we don't need instructions. We'll sort it. Right, so. Oh, Debbie, thank you very much. Bend over. We're going to. You said you were going to give me a hand, didn't you? I needed a hand. I need somewhere. I need somewhere to search. Assume the position, Debbie. I'm going to investigate.
When you insert the product
when you insert, yeah.
into the connected iPhone or iPad, a pop-up window down will appear on the screen. Click the app. Blah 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 blah.
You could do all that, yeah. Right, okay. Hey,
I don't know what this bit's for.
let's make a video then.
Android, Mac, Windows, power supply. Like that.
I'm going to end up swallowing this. Oh, there. I think that's recording now.
Yeah, it's recording. It says up there. Look.
Where are we going? What are we looking at? Oh, huh? Oh, blimey! Look at that. What on earth are we looking at? Let's draw back a little bit. Where are we looking? See, your filthy minds. Look, I happen to just make a cave with my hand, and let's enter in the cave in my hand, and let's have a look. Look at this. Wow, isn't that's going to be amazing. Just twiddle that thing at the end, Deb, in that control slowly. Oh, yeah, go on.
What makes it darker and lighter?
Lighter, yeah. Oh,
that sends it right off.
Yeah, slowly, turn it slowly. Try and, that's it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. Oh, we're looking. Where are we? Oh, where are we looking? Look at this. Blimey.